Welcome back to my channel. Here we are going to be working on the conversion of these orthographic views into isometric view. As these views are given a first angle orthographic projection, we have this to be the front elevation and this is the plan. Now let's talk about the dimensions on each of them. For the front elevation, from here to here is 70, from here to here is 30, from here to here we also have it to be 30, from here to here is 25. In the plan we have that from here to here is 75, that is from here to here too, and from here to here is 40, from here to here is 20. The lowest point is here, indicated with letter A. We also have it here in the plan. So let's go and put this part together to produce the orthographic view, isometric view of this object. But what I'm going to do first is to produce the isometric view of the front elevation without this rectangle. Okay, so without this rectangle, I will tell you the reason why that we are not going to draw this rectangle together with the front elevation that I want to produce now in isometric view. So let's start. So we are going to draw a short horizontal line here. So we have this as a short horizontal line. Then we take the 30 degrees square, we set it in this direction, and we draw a line in this direction. So we have it in this direction, and then I will come to this point and draw a short a vertical line here like this. Okay, then we are going to indicate the lowest point. So this point is the lowest point. We have to write it there. All right, so then I'm going to take a measurement of 75 millimeters from this point. Okay, from this point to this side here, representing this line from here to here. And then I will now take 30 millimeters, that is distance from here to here. I'll take 30 millimeters up from this point. So this is 30 millimeters here. So I'll come to this point here and draw a vertical line. So draw a vertical line from here up. Okay, so I will take a measurement of 70 millimeters, that is from here to here. So I'll take 70 millimeters of this is 70 millimeters here. So then I will come to this point. Then I'll come to this point here. So I'm going to draw a line for this at an angle of 30 degrees. So coming to this point, I will draw the line. So I'll draw the line like this. Okay, so we have this. Then I'll take a measurement of 30 millimeters. So 30 millimeters, this is 30 millimeters, and I'm going to draw a vertical line down. So I'll draw a vertical line down this point. Okay, so this is the vertical line here like this. Okay, so then what is distance from here to here? Okay, so if the distance from here to here is 30 and total is 70, it means that from here to here is 40 millimeters. So from this point I will take a measurement of 40 millimeters down. So this is 40 millimeters. Even if I don't take it, I can just come here where we have this 30. I'll just draw a line from where we have this 30 and join it together with this. Okay, so that as you can see that they are joined together. All right, so if you look at what we have, this L shape that we have as the front elevation, we have produced this. Beside this, as I said, this one I'm going to explain what this is or where it is placed. Okay, now for us to make it isometric block, so we have to come to this point and draw a line in this direction. Okay, then we come to this point here, we also draw a line in this direction, and then we come to this point. Okay, so coming to this point, we also draw a line in this direction. So we come to this point also, we draw a line in this direction, and then coming to this point here. Okay, coming to this point, we draw a line in this direction. All right, so having done that, the next thing that we are going to do is that we have that from here to here is 40. So let's take that 40. So here we take a measurement of 40 millimeters. This is 40 millimeters. So I will come here with my set square and draw a vertical line at this point. So draw a vertical line here, and then here I'll also draw a line. So with my set square being set like this, I draw a line in this direction, and from here we set it vertical, we draw a line in this direction, and then coming up here, so we also draw a line from here in this direction. All right, so we have this now. So now what we are going to do now is that this rectangle that we see here, this is its plan. This is its plan, and distance from here to here is 20 millimeters if you look at it. So then we need to come here and take a measurement of 20 millimeters forward. This is 20 millimeters. Okay, then At this point, I'm going to draw a vertical line. I'm going to extend this vertical line up like this, okay? Then I'll also draw this vertical line up like this, okay? And then I'm going to transfer this point. I will transfer it, okay? So I'll make it a thick line at once. I'll make it a thick line at once by drawing this line to touch this line here like this, okay? Then on this line, I will now take, as we have that from here to here is 25. I will take 25 millimeters from this point up. So this is 25 millimeters. So I'm going to join this point. I will join it together with this, so making it a thick line at once. So I just make it a thick line from here to here. Then I'm going to transfer this. So I transfer this line, okay? So I transfer it here like this, okay? So I'll come to this point and draw a vertical line up like this, okay? So I need to make sure, okay, let me just come here and draw this line. So draw a line from this point like this, okay? Then I need to make sure these two lines, they touch each other. So I need to transfer this, okay? So they have met. Then I'm going to draw a line from here. So draw a line from here. So make it a thick line at once, so it goes like this, okay? So you can see what we have here. So then we have to make this line a thick line. So let's make it a thick line. Let's make this also a thick line from here down, and also make this a thick line from here. So this down to this point, okay? So also this line, I'll make it a thick line from here to here. So coming here, making this line a thick line, and also I'll make this also a thick line from here down. So this also, so make it more visible. And then so on this side, so I'll make this line a thick line like this, okay? Then this line also make it more visible from here to here. And then so this line, so make it more visible, okay? And this line, make it a thick line. All right, so coming in this direction, so make this line a thick line from here to here, and this line from here, okay, to this point, make it a thick line, and this also make this a thick line from here to here, and this line will also make it a thick line. And then lastly, this one, okay, that's not the last. So I can see that these lines also, we also need to make them thick lines from here to here, and this also should be made a thick line from here to here. All right, so here we have the isometric view of this whose orthographic views are given here. It's as simple as I've done it here. All you have to do is to practice. Thank you, keep on practicing, and God bless you.